Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need local administrator rights to change remote desktop. Make sure you told anyone connected to save and close files. Once ready, open settings using Start or Windows plus I because you'll disable the feature from System Options. Make sure your PC is not in a domain-managed policy that blocks changes. If it is, contact IT. Now, click System, then look for Remote Desktop on the right. This is where the toggle and related settings live, so proceed to the next precise steps. You're now in Remote Desktop settings. Locate the Remote Desktop toggle and switch it off. Click Confirm when the system asks to stop accepting connections. Once done, scroll to Advanced Settings and disable Network Level Authentication if it's still enabled, because that prevents any residual connections. Make sure Keep My PC Awake and any automatic connection options are unchecked, which helps prevent unexpected access. If Windows firewall rules were auto-added, leave them for the next step so we can remove them safely. After turning off Remote Desktop, open Windows Defender Firewall, go to Inbound Rules, and remove or disable rules named Remote Desktop or RDP to block incoming ports. Once that's done, restart the PC so all changes take effect. This also clears any lingering sessions. If you find you're unexpectedly unable to access the machine locally later, boot into safe mode or use the local console to re-enable an admin account. This single troubleshooting step recovers access without network dependencies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.